Trying to set my new shack back up, and in the previous shack I had all kind of coaxes running out the window, and I was trying to avoid that this time. So I done a little bit of searching, a little looking on eBay, and I found a 4-position remote antenna switch. It finally come in, so stick around, let's take a look at it. Now I've already removed the plastic eBay shipping, and it comes in just a standard cardboard box. So let's see what we have inside. Have connection diagrams, probably some wiring. I'll have to look into that. Maybe it'll be a link somewhere. Here, oops, is the kind of shoddy, twisted 12-volt in, and your selectors coming out based on the switch position. They must have made the bag around this box. Looks like we'll have to take it out, or take it apart rather, to see what's on the inside. Control cable coming in. Radio connects here. Antenna 1, 2, 3, and 4 based on the switch selection. Phillips head screws, so let me get a screwdriver and take it out. I'll be right back. All right, last screw. And by the way, this takes #1 Phillips if you're interested. Oh, so it's already put together. This was sold as a kit. The relays already soldered. The terminal strips comes in from the control switch. So looks like this is a ready to go remote unit here. Now we do need to come up with some type of a box for the selector switch here, and I'm thinking that I have some Cat 5 cable that I can use between the switch and the box in the field. I was really expecting to have to put something together, but undoubtedly not. Lucked out on this one. Taking a closer look with the back on, we all know that the coaxes come in here, control cable comes in here. This side is relatively very well sealed up. But if you look at the back and on the ends, you have a small crack here on top and bottom that needs tightening, as well as these cracks here on each side. Now, my preferred way would be to have it mounted here so that the coaxes would come in from underneath. But even if you mounted it like this, you would still have a chance for water egress to come in through the top or the bottom, depending on how you oriented it. And when I removed the cover, there was no gasket material under here, so this might call for some silicone, or either try to make a gasket for it. So I'm just trying to let you know that ahead of time. I forgot to mention that the case is metal, good sturdy construction. The control cable connector is a compression type, so it should be pretty well water resistant, but it is plastic, so I'll have to pay attention to how hard that I torque this down. The SO239s, they appear to be good quality. I see a little burr right there I need to get out. So that one appears good. So does that one. That one. As well as the radio connection. So I just need to get that little piece of metal out of that one and figure out a way to seal this up, and then we can get it mounted once we have it connected, control wires, and go from there. All right, folks, that's all for today. Hopefully the next video on this, I will have it installed and 1 or 2 antennas connected to it so we can see how well it does. So stay tuned and see you on the next one.